Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this compact air blowing fan that spins at 110,000 RPMs and blows 40-mile-per-hour winds. This thing is compact. It's tiny but mighty. When you get it, make sure that you charge it up. It looks like it uses a USB-C in the bottom there, as well as has the power button on there. It also does come with a cone nozzle to direct the airflow if you're wanting to direct it even more powerful. And then it also has the little USB-C charger there in the box. I'm going to turn this on. It's actually got 4 speeds. So press and hold. There's the low speed. Second speed. Third speed. And the 4th speed there when it just really ramps up. And this thing, look at how far away I can hold this. It'll blow this stuff down there. Blowing that stuff, it just blows, man. This thing blows some wind. I'm going to turn it off. I mean, it does produce a little bit of noise when you get up, crank it up to that, high RPM, but it does blow some good wind. I'm going to put this nozzle on here and try this on something like my keyboard. This thing has a non-slip grip on this, so it would be good to hang on to. We're going to turn it on. Go ahead and set it about halfway up and use it to blow out a keyboard. It's got a bunch of junk coming out of there. And so I could see a lot of good uses for this around the house instead of using compressed air. This would be a good option for this, or using it to help start a fire outside. If you're a camper, you can take this thing and use this to blow some wind to start a fire as opposed to hauling around like a big air thing, or possibly even use this just to pump up something in camping. So this would be a good use for that too.